One of the reasons they say we get Zoom fatigue is because we get tired of looking at ourselves and we're hypercritical. Here's my tip. In those 3 dots next to your name at the top, you can turn off your self-view. So if you're just having a one-on-one with somebody, your screens are typically side by side, right? The boxes are side by side. Get rid of me. And then it's only that person. Then I shrink their image so it's as close to the camera as it can be. Then I'm more likely to be looking toward their eyes, and it's just much more connecting. Usually people are looking over here talking to my screen image, not the camera, which is really where they are. I have the center cam. It's a dime-sized camera. It hangs over my monitor. Now I'm looking at you and you're in the middle of my screen. If I were doing a one-on-one, I position my window so the center cam is on the person's forehead. So I'm always looking directly at them.